Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to configure notification sound on WhatsApp. So for you to do that, you have to tap on your gear button and scroll down to notification. Then right here, this is where you can configure notification sound on your WhatsApp. So let's start by changing notification sound. You can decide, or I'm gonna pick anyone for this iPhone. You can pick. So I'm gonna pick, let's pick this. You can see, then you tap on save. Then also here you can decide how you want notification from WhatsApp to display on your iPhone. If you want it just like an alert, or you want it as a banner, or you don't want any of the notification, in-app notification from WhatsApp. So this is where you can configure them. And also if you want sound, or you also want vibration from the in-app notification from WhatsApp, this is where you can configure all of them. So if you find this video helpful, like and follow for more.